Hi, I'm Love. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm making this glass windows for my dollhouse, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like, comment and share, and the shoutouts will be at the end of the video. So let's get started. For this project, you will need a big cardboard for the wall, scissors, plastic file, and a printable. The link will be in the description box below, so you can use this printable if you are making the same design. Some popsicle sticks, a double-sided tape, X-Acto knife, markers, and lastly, a hot glue gun. So first I'm gonna take the plastic file and I'm gonna cut the plastic file so I will have a plastic sheet to work with. Okay, now you have to stick the plastic sheet over the printable. I'm using double-sided tape, but you can use glue as well. Okay, now I just have to peel it out. What the? Are you kidding me? Come out. Oh, okay. Oof. Come on. Oh, finally. Okay, now stick the plastic sheet over the printable and press gently. Okay, done. Whew, that was a lot of work. Now just use a black marker to outline the design. Thanks to my brother for doing this for me because I'm such a clumsy cat. Okay, now I'm gonna fill this design with some markers. Okay, I'm all done coloring the whole thing and this is how it turned out. Now I have to just cut it out. Okay, this is how it looks like after I cut it out, and make sure to leave some space, and you can see the measurements on the screen. Now cut out the design. Now take the printable and place it over the cardboard and make sure to leave some space in between. I'm using double-sided tape to stick the printable, but you can use glue as well. Okay, now take the plastic design and place it over the printable and draw a borderline around it. Okay, now we have our borderline, and as you can see, it fits perfectly with the plastic design. And we're going to use this borderline to build a frame for the plastic design. Now cut out the printable. I'm using an X-Acto knife. You can use scissors as well. Now take the plastic design and place it over the open window to see if the design fits perfectly. To make sure that the plastic design stays in place, I'm using some popsicle stick to make a border frame. Okay, this is how the base of the frame will look like. Now take some bigger popsicle stick and stick them over the small popsicle stick. Please do not stick them with the cardboard. There should be some space between the big popsicle stick and the cardboard so that the plastic design can easily slide in and slide out. Okay, our windows are almost done. As you can see, the plastic design fits so perfectly and it doesn't move at all. Now I'm gonna do the same for the other window. Now just flip it over and this is how the front looks like. Okay, as you can see, the windows look so much realistic, and you can just keep the front like this, but I will make a frame for the windows. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please watch till the end for shoutouts, and follow me on Instagram at dollsalove. Today's shoutout goes to The Doll Craze, Panther Pink, and Daniela's Barbie Closet. Thank you so much for your comments.